We are going to Woody's Wheel Works right now to pick up a package for the French bike for Minuet. I haven't rode this thing for a minute. I forgot where the clutch and gauge is. I miss this old girl. I haven't rode her for a minute, so I figured I'd take her out today since we're going for a ride. We're going to pick up that package from Woody's Wheel Works for the Sherko. And then we're going to the FedEx office and shipping it out. And then going to the gym. And that is the plan. God, all my fucking riding gear is so dirty right now. I haven't really rode since we got back from fucking the camping trip, and man, these pants are... Let's see. I don't know if you can see how dirty these fucking things are. Oh. We got the light. Just trying to show off my pants. But yeah, the camping trip was a great success, other than recording it, which, admittedly, I didn't check my camera right now, so hopefully it's not doing the thing again. But, yeah, as far as, like, the adversities overcome, and, man, we had a lot fucking happen on that trip. That could have gone the other way, you know what I mean? With all of the opportunities that we had for something to go wrong, and, you know, for everyone to come out unscathed. Fuck this shit. That's better. God, this thing's got so much power. I forget how much it had. I've been riding the KLR so much, man. I'm not used to this thing. I want to go fast. This thing goes fast without even trying. I gotta get one of them clutch levers for this bad boy. I am now spoiled with my easy pull clutch lever on the KLR. Yeah, man, a lot of people are commenting on that last video about, like, the one good video that I had that I put out unedited about how hard I was breathing. And I wanted to address that real quick. Yeah, number one, I'm not a shit, dude. I'm fucking 43 fucking years old, motherfuckers. Like, how old are you? Let's see you do so well at 43 while you're doing something new. I'm also new to dirt, relatively. Like, I've been riding for like 10 years, but I've only had that KLR for like 6 months, and other than the KLR, I think I've only rode a dirt bike like one fucking time. So yeah, I'm not very experienced on the dirt. So there were technique things that I was doing wrong. Like, I didn't realize how much you're supposed to hang on with your legs. So I was hanging on with my whole fucking body. And that bike weighs 500 pounds. I mean, it sounds like I'm making excuses, which I kind of am, to be honest. So it was definitely harder than anything I've ever done on a motorcycle. Physically, like, mentally, because, you know, we're hanging out on the side of a fucking cliff, right? Like, one sneeze and I grab the throttle a little too hard or something, and yeah, like, it's gonna be a real bad day. I'm not saying I would have died or anything, but man, I could have, like, fucked myself up or fucked my bike up, and then we're miles away from the road in a place that trucks can't get to. Like, how the fuck do you get your bike back in that case? I don't even know what you do, dude. So yeah, there was quite a bit of stress along with that. with doing something new, not having proper technique, being old and out of shape. Turn left on Jason. Yeah, there was just a lot of things working against me. That being said, I got through every fucking thing that we had to get through on that bike. Like, we did the easy trails, we did the intermediate trails, we did the dirt roads, and the hail, and the rain, and the snow, and the craziness, and the slop, without the best tires, and it got through it. So I also dropped that bike like 6 or 9 times, not sure how many, but oh shit, is this it? Oh, I think we passed it. Anyway, anywho, yeah, you stop, bro. Alright, Woody's Wheel Works is right here. Here we are. Alright, great success. Here are the nipples. I hope these are correct. Got a couple of extra ones, I guess, for you. There's only $10 for 8 of them. Oh, I did have something I was going to put in there, too, just to be funny. Before I send it off. Perfect. Good old Woody's Wheel Works. Check out that van, man. That's old school. My buddy was telling me you got to go here for the KLR wheels, for tires, really, more than the wheels. The wheels are fine. It's the tires. All right, it's getting a little hot. I'm gonna get some air moving on me. Yeah, that feels better. Weird little area, little industrial area right down the street. Look at that, there's a Tyrannosaurus there for some reason. Why? I don't know. By Will Wheaton. This is a fun little road, Platte River. Let's go on Platte River. Can't go too crazy on it. You never know if there's cops. But it is nice and freshly paved. You got the river going right by you right here. Nice little view. Dusty day. Can't have the thing down. That's how you go blind. Don't kill me. Thank you. Goodwill World Outlet. Outlet World. Never been inside of there. I wonder what that looks like. Here's all this shit we couldn't sell at the other Goodwills. Tunnel exhaust. What are we doing, Cayenne? Because it's spicy. It's a spicy cayenne pepper. God, like compared to that Lamborghini fucking RAV4 though, I thought the Cayenne RAV4, the fucking Porsche RAV4 was retarded. I didn't know Lamborghini was fucking making one too. Although that thing costs as much as a fucking house. So I guess that makes the Porsche RAV4 a little bit more reasonable at whatever the fuck they cost, $100,000 or something. God, this thing is so fast, dude. Puts the Ninja to shame. The old Ninja 650, or the 500, really. I think the 500 made about 50 horsepower, 55 maybe. And the old Ninja 650 made about 65, 70. And this thing makes a fucking 100. Makes about the same torque though, honestly. It's not so torquey. It is just a 599cc inline 4 detuned older fucking R6 motor. But she gets the job done. Are you taking a shit right now, bro? Glad I didn't fucking roll by 1 fucking minute earlier. Jesus. Looks like they tore up my fucking writing spot. Those bastards. They killed Kenny. Let's go left. Yeah, this whole area, man. This was the spot. No, it's just a bunch of dirt. I can't even go in there anymore. Look at that. KLR might have fun, though. What's up, bro? Look, they even got their own fucking taco truck coming in. We never had that shit when I worked in construction. We were the fucking taco truck. We'd go to fucking Santiago's and pick up a bunch of breakfast burritos almost every day. Fucking paid for that building. Not me personally, but, you know, between the crew. Look at that fucking thing. Is that for the AC for the building? Or is there like a secret bunker under here or something? Because that's like secret bunker status. Hello, Jikaru. Very good, Jikaru. Oh, that feels so good. It feels so good. Look it, we're just gonna go for a ride right now. Fuck it. Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it. Let's see what they got out here. Oh, is that a KLR front and center? Sure is. 3rd gen. Royal Enfield, Royal Enfield. What the fuck is that? Kawasaki 800? I didn't even know they made those. Enfield, Enfield, another Kawasaki 650, Z650. And a Honda CB300. Nice little lineup, kinda. I like the KLR. Although I wouldn't pay that much for one myself. Hello, hello. Pardon, pardon. Pardonnez-moi, merci. Thank you. Yeah, the other thing this thing needs would be some steel braided brake lines would be nice. And I'll be honest, the rotors feel a little bit rough when you get on it. I don't think they're warped, but there might be some like scarring or damage on the rotor face itself. So, sandpaper? I don't know what I have to do about that one. But yeah, if you get on it, I mean, it's not terrible. It would be nice to have a little bit more bite, though. You know what? Let's be first. Well, I got a full tank of gas, basically. I can do whatever the fuck I want today, but do want Jake to get back to me so I can send this package out and at least get it in the mail, you know? Monsieur Snake? Monsieur Snake? Yeah, it looks like we are recording. Alright, cool. Looks like the damn rain's coming in again. The Harley bra, the brother. He's such a Harley bra, he's got it on his truck. Alright, Jake. I grabbed your nipples. And now they are in the mail. It was 0.1 pounds and it's $15 to get it there by Tuesday? Like, what the fuck? But whatever, dude. I don't even work here. Should we take the super secret back way to get back home? Super secret back way. Whoa! There's some dirt on the ground there. Let's go say hey to the homies. If they're awake and up and doing things. Nipples. Yeah, the fucking lady at the place were like, so what are we sending today? And I'm like, I mean, technically they're nipples. They got a kick out of that. Getting nipples, you might as well have a Plumbus. This guy's got a Harley in his front yard there. Look at this. I don't know if it's a Harley, actually. Looks like it. There's grass clippings on the road! Are you trying to kill people? God darn glass clippings. I don't think anyone's awake. Looks like the homies are... If they're home, they're not mobbing. Oh, look at this guy. That's right, where I got my ticket for going 12 miles an hour. No, I was going 7 miles an hour over the speed limit, and they pulled me over right here. Is it the same cop? No, it's a different cop. Let's do some fucking shit, huh? There's a red line first gear. Just trying to get that guy off the fucking traffic stop. Catch me, coppa! I'll just do this. And boom, I'm first. I could wait in line like a plebe, or I could just go. Look at that old fucking thing. Surprised it has 4 doors. 4 doors, more whores. And we're home. Gotta love the bikes, bro.